Beautiful 2019 Edge SEL all-wheel drive, 250 horsepower, Eco 4-cylinder under the hood, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. We do have remote entry, remote start, power tailgate, backup camera, reverse sensing, lane keeping system, blind spot monitoring, cross traffic alert, cloth interior. We do have a panoramic roof. Of course, we have the power goodies, power heated front seats, voice navigation, very nice vehicle to drive, very comfortable, very roomy. You're going to find it, Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln, 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.